Don't think that it is a cakewalk, you will just come and make it through, because I also thought of that, but it is not that. Once you are into zone 2 or 3, you will feel the heat. So I'm Vinod Dadri. I'm part of academy called DM Littlefield. Is a company. So we are strength and conditioning partner for some of the good badminton athletes across India. It's been awesome. I think I started my journey when I was 8 years old. Since then, I've been doing something or other. I started with boxing. I played boxing at a certain level. Then post that, I worked in many corporates, but I keep continue my journey whatever I could. So I'm not a big runner guy. I'm not a running guy. I do, kind of, you can say beginner kind of runner. I run off and on. So I just, concentrated that I need to run some part of it, because if I calculate, I think more than 50%, approx 50% is running only. Yes, 5 kilometers, yeah. So if you even divide the time, then it is almost half it is running, 40 to 50% running. So running is the main component it is the biggest component. So I prepared for it. Though I couldn't do much, I couldn't train much, but I focused more on running. Rest strength part I've been doing since long, so I thought I'll push it through. I got injured while I was practicing those box jumps, because I was quite eager to come and participate. So I thought that I'll probably, band it up and then I'll go through. When I was watching across from the boundaries, I saw the people running, and I was calculating their pace, and which I could evaluate. They were running at a pace of 7, 8. I thought, what are they doing here? They're running at the pace of 7, 8. Fuck, man, they can push it a little bit harder. Why can't they run at the pace of 4 and 5? But when I was doing myself, I could understand why they were not able to do it. And so it won't be easy running over here. Once you are after that push and pull and after lunges, you won't be able to run at a pace which you are thinking of it. So work more on running. When you start with it, is okay, still first round, then first rowing, it is fairly easy. I'm not saying it's very difficult, it's fairly easy. Though I miscalculated, I thought I could do in 3 minutes, because I had never done rowing yet. This is the first time doing rowing. But it was relatively easy in terms of effort. It was taking time, but in terms of effort, it was easy. But post second and third round, when you come to that sledge pull, push was still okay, but pull was difficult. I thought I could easily pull it through, but I think it was pull is the only most difficult thing over here. Rest were kind of, you could do at a one go, barring ball throw. Right. In that also I took, I think, 2-3 breaks. Rest was okay, it was cakewalk, right? No, cakewalk, but you don't have to quit in between or stop in between. I think there is some kind of, what you say, strength endurance part. So most of us need to work on that strength endurance. So if strength is okay, but repetitive number of sets when you have to do, that is strength endurance. I think that need to be worked on. So if suppose your strength and endurance is good, then probably you can do more easy on lunges and that wall throw. So that can be done in a better way. I was expecting little early. I think so. I think I can do better. Maybe down the line, 2-3 months down the line, not today or tomorrow. But I think I could have done better.